Welcome, everybody. Romel here from RCC Graphic Designs. I'll be showcasing RelayKit, which is a Chrome extension, and it attaches to your Gmail account. And I'll show you in a couple of minutes what this is. As you can see, this is the description. It's email, uh, sort of like an email builder, and there's an editor that's attached to your Gmail here. So I'm just gonna jump in here and show you. So if you click compose, as you can see here, there's a side toolbar. You can access the template gallery here, and there's two tabs. One for the premium templates, and you have basic templates. Right now, you have access to the premium templates here, since this is we're just showcasing it's in its early development. So there's a few selections here. There's a few drop down here, different function, different use cases. So if you're looking for invitations, you can also select industry. So there's nothing there right now. Let's see, popular one, e-commerce. So I have a few selections here for different email templates. Let's, let's pick. Okay, so there's invoices. Marketer. Okay, so here's a few of them. So let's select one of these. Launch. So the one thing here, so you can change your text here. You can replace the photo. You can change the link on that. So just like your regular um, email composer. Gallery sections. So I believe if you pick one of these, it will add it to the bottom, right? I don't think there's a way to remove it. Um, okay, so you can drag and drop it. Okay, there it is. Move it down. So it's pretty flexible. Make email centered. You can do full screen email. Change email background. That's a mobile view, desktop view. So as you can see, it's fairly flexible. I really like it. Um, let's see. Yep. So you can replace email template on the fly here. So that's pretty good. But obviously, if you already made a change, it's not going to keep it. Okay, so yeah, so this is RelayKit. Let me know in the comments what you think of it, because I think this looks pretty promising. Hopefully, they'll expand this template library here. So yeah, like I said, this is just starting out, and but so far it's pretty good. I'm quite impressed in what you can do with this, especially if you're like me, you live inside your Gmail account. So it is really really handy. Okay, thanks.